Welcome to another Deep Learning Nerds video. One key component of the Microsoft Fabric architecture is the data flow. In this video, we will explain step by step how to create a data flow in Fabric. First, sign into Microsoft Fabric. The Fabric portal will be opened. Next, switch to the Data Factory experience. To do this, click on the Microsoft Fabric icon on the bottom left and select Data Factory. Here you can see the Data Factory experience. Click on the Workspaces tab in the left sidebar and select the desired workspace. In our case, we select the workspace dealnerds_workspace. Now, let's create a data flow in the selected workspace. To do this, navigate to the Home tab and click on the Dataflow Gen 2 card. After the creation, the data flow will be opened and you are taken to the familiar Power Query interface. Now you can carry out your desired data transformation steps. Congratulations! Now you are one step closer to become a Fabric expert. You have learned how to create a data flow. Try it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.